Hello guys, I'm back with another video with the Incredible again, and this time it's about the detail of it. The detail is like very good. So usually I didn't like this before, but now I like it because the doors open and then the roof just. So you just wonder how you open the doors. So be very careful. Careful. So you gotta open the doors. If you hear a snap right over here. You just wonder how the doors close. So, So you just wonder how the doors close. I got. Sorry. I'm so sorry. So like I was saying, you just gotta be careful because you just wonder how it closes. Usually it's just a snap. As you see it right over here. So usually you gotta be careful because this one does not look strong. Anyway, so let's get to roof. So all you gotta do is you gotta carefully. Oh, sorry, the part of this one's coming out. Sorry. So usually you got to put this off easily because sorry, gotta pull both pieces out very gently. Gotta be careful. So usually sorry, I sneezed. Like I was saying, so Incredible looks like good inside. So you just wonder how you take this part out. Usually you take the other piece out as you see it. Usually you just not yank it out like just usually pull off a piece usually easily. This is how you pull off the roof. And sorry, I gotta wash this car, but it's electric. I can't wash it. So there you go. You're Incredible with it. So the lights do come on, I guess. So usually the lights are okay. I guess they're just not like the RC car doesn't even have like a light to turn off this and drive by itself when it's like no lights, when it's light outside. Usually if you want to drive this at night or when it's like dark or something. But I don't know, that'll be like waking up people in the morning because they need some sleep. Usually I use I haven't played this in like I would say 2 months. No, I haven't played this I haven't played this in 1 month. So usually if you want to see the under the car, I don't know where's this come from. So usually I'll put the camera over here, I think. Trying to be careful with So I'll just drive the car without even. So you just wonder how you drive the car. So finally we're getting to that right now. So all you gotta do is turn on the switch and you see light coming on, which is this one's way different than the other one. You see as this one doesn't even come with the seats together, This one just comes with the things, which is I love and like. So here's how you drive it. Hold on. So all you gotta do is think like a controller. So think it as like a controller because it just makes the sound outside. Usually don't drive this outside because usually don't drive this outside. You could drive outside. Oh, I'm sorry. Like I was saying, don't drive this outside where the grass is because the last time I got my tire in the back got stuck with something else, like some grid, and probably something else, like some stuff out the tire, like some of the grass parts or something. But just drive this where the no side of the grass is. So usually I just drive it ooh. Oh wait, I'm supposed to drive this while without one. Ooh. Oh, the switch is turned off. Imagine making a movie with this. Oop. So this thing gotta get stuck all the time. So usually, sorry. Gotta turn the controller off. So usually you just wonder how you put it back. So usually you just put this one back, So here we go. Gotta snap these back over here. Usually I'm supposed to do this with 2 hands, but usually I feel dangerous. So I'm gonna break this. Hold on. Usually something happens because I know what happens to the dang part right there. But usually that's the Incredible. Cool Incredible. So I'm gonna take a picture for the thumbnail of this. This looks like a great pose for a controller with it. Yep. I'm gonna stay the camera like this. Alright, subscribe for more. If you want to see part 3 with the Incredible testing the driving skills, or testing the figures inside, which is I need the figures. Well, that pose looked great. Alright, subscribe.